Losing weight while preserving muscle is the golden grail of fitness. It's an aspiration that many hold dear, but few ever manage to realize. Real success requires a holistic approach that incorporates dietary modifications, physical activity, and behavioral adjustments. It's more than simply going to the gym regularly and eating healthily. Making a lasting habit that works with your schedule is the key. Transforming your body composition is more important than just losing weight. In your pursuit of a trimmer physique, it's important to remember that cutting calories alone might cause you to shed muscle as well as fat. The goal should instead be to gain muscle while decreasing fat so that you may have a trim, toned body. This method improves your look and speeds up your metabolism so you can keep the effects for longer. Your general health and well-being will also be improved by this comprehensive approach, which boosts your physical attractiveness. A stronger immune system, more energy, and improved mental health all be yours with a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet high in whole foods, frequent exercise, and stress management strategies like meditation. It's about building a lifestyle that supports your objectives and helps you feel beautiful inside and out. This thorough book gives a clear route for novices wishing to lose weight and achieve a lean body. We'll cover everything from establishing realistic goals and measuring your progress to picking the correct workouts and nutrition plan. Whether you're just starting out or seeking to modify your existing regimen, this book will give you with the tools and information you need to succeed. We'll go into the science underlying fat reduction, the significance of diet, the function of exercise, and practical recommendations to help you achieve. Understanding how your body functions may empower you to make educated choices about your fitness path. We'll study subjects like calorie deficits, macronutrient ratios, and the advantages of various forms of exercise, from strength training to cardio, by understanding these concepts. You may modify your strategy to match your individual requirements and tastes. Remember, this is a journey, not a sprint. Consistency and patience are crucial. It's easy to feel disheartened if you don't see quick results, but real change takes time. Celebrate tiny accomplishments along the road and remain dedicated to your objectives. Keep track of your progress, change your plan as required, and don't be hesitant to seek help from friends, family, or a fitness community. Every step you take puts you closer to your ultimate objective. By grasping the ideas stated here, you may attain your fitness objectives and maintain a healthy lifestyle for the long term. It's not simply about attaining a specific weight or body fat percentage, it's about building habits that you can keep for life. This involves finding a balance that works for you, whether it's via food preparing, finding an exercise program you love, or adding mindfulness techniques into your everyday routine. The route to a slim body is as much about mental toughness as it is about physical exertion. Let's go on this revolutionary adventure together, one step at a time. No matter where you are beginning from, remember that every modest adjustment you make may lead to huge changes over time. Surround yourself with good influences, keep motivated, push progress together. We can reach a thinner, healthier, and happier version of ourselves. So lace up your shoes, grab your water bottle, and let's get started on this exciting adventure to a better self. The underlying premise of fat reduction is straightforward. You need to eat fewer calories than you exert. This notion, frequently referred to as calories in vs calories and vs calories out, is the cornerstone of weight control. It's a basic equation. If you take in more calories than your body requires for its everyday activities and metabolic processes, the excess is stored as fat. Conversely, if you eat less calories than your body needs, it will start to utilize stored fat for energy, leading to weight reduction. This is known as a calorie deficit. Creating a calorie deficit may be done in two basic ways: by lowering the amount of calories you consume, or by increasing the number of calories you burn via physical activity. Many individuals find that a mix of both is the most successful method. Your body, starving of its typical energy intake, starts tapping into stored fat stores for fuel. This approach is equivalent to delving into your savings account. When your wage doesn't cover all your needs, the body is very effective at conserving energy for times of need, but it's equally skilled at accessing those reserves when essential. Imagine your body like a vehicle. Much as a car requires gasoline to operate, your body requires calories to operate. Every action you perform, from breathing and resting to running and lifting weights, takes energy. Calories are like the gasoline that keeps it going. Without enough fuel, the automobile won't operate effectively. And the same applies for your physique. It's crucial to give your body with the correct quantity and kind of fuel to keep it working efficiently. If you fill your automobile with more petrol than it requires, it is kept away in the case of your body. This surplus fuel is stored as fat. This is why it's vital to be careful of your calorie intake and ensure it fits with your body's demands. Similarly, if you eat more calories than your body burns, it is deposited as fat. This may lead to weight gain over time, particularly if the extra calorie intake becomes a regular habit. Therefore, to lose fat, you need to generate a calorie deficit by either lowering your calorie intake or increasing your calorie expenditure via exercise. This doesn't mean you have to starve yourself or spend hours at the gym. Small, consistent adjustments may make a tremendous effect over time. The trick is to discover a sustainable balance that works for you. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's crucial to listen to your body and make modifications as required. Don't get too wrapped up in counting every single calorie. While measuring your consumption might be useful, it's equally crucial to concentrate on the quality of the food you're consuming. Nutrient-rich meals like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains give greater nutritional value and may help you feel satiated longer. Focus on making better eating choices and including regular exercise into your regimen. This may include things you like, such as walking, swimming, dancing, or playing a sport. The objective is to build a lifestyle that promotes your health and well-being rather than a transitory diet or exercise regimen. Remember, consistency is vital, and little sustainable improvements may lead to long-term success. Nutrition has a key part in fat reduction. It's the basis around which your whole fitness journey is constructed. Without correct nourishment, your efforts in the gym or throughout your exercises, it's crucial to recognize that what you eat may either assist your objectives or hamper your success. It's not only about eating less, it's about eating intelligently. This entails making educated decisions regarding the sorts of foods you eat and knowing how they influence your body. For instance, adopting a balanced meal that contains a range of nutrients might help you feel satisfied for longer, limiting the urge to snack on harmful foods. Your body requires the correct nutrition to work efficiently, particularly when you're attempting to shed weight and preserve muscle. Protein, for example, is necessary for muscle repair and development, while carbs give the energy required for your activity. Healthy fats are also crucial for general health and may help keep you nourished. Prioritize whole, unprocessed meals like fruits. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that enhance general health and well-being. Fruits are also an excellent source of natural sugars, which may deliver a rapid energy boost without the crash associated with manufactured sweets, vegetables, lean meats, and nuts. And whole grains should also be mainstays in your diet. Vegetables are low in calories but rich in fiber, which may help you feel full and content. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and tofu are important for muscle upkeep and repair. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa give sustained nourishment. Are an excellent source of fiber. These foods are nutrient-rich, meaning they deliver a lot of nourishment for relatively few calories. This is crucial because it enables you to eat enough to feel content while yet sustaining a calorie deficit, which is required for fat reduction. Limit processed meals, sugary drinks, and excessive harmful fats. These goods are generally heavy in empty calories, which may contribute to weight gain and other health concerns. These processed meals are generally heavy in calories and lacking in nutrients, leading to fat accumulation. Processed meals may also include chemicals and preservatives that may adversely affect your health. Remember, food is fuel. The quality of the fuel you put into your body may greatly affect your performance, energy levels, and general health. By adopting better meal choices, you're supplying your body with the nutrition it needs to operate at its best, even amid a calorie deficit. This means you'll have more energy for your exercises, recover quicker, and be less prone to encounter cravings that might derail your progress. In the long term, following a balanced diet may lead to lasting fat reduction and better overall health. So take the time to plan your meals, educate yourself about nutrition, and make decisions that support your objectives. Your body will reward you for it.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.